So, good morning everybody from sunny Thailand. The price of Bitcoin, I think in the next 24 hours, 48 hours, I mean it is Thursday today, tomorrow is Friday, I get some pretty bad vibes off the market at the moment, and I'm not so confident in it going up at all, to be honest. It kind of looks like it's really going to start motoring down a little bit more. We're going to look at the charts in this video, but currently I'm on the way to see one of my famous friends from YouTube, and I'm going to go and ask him what he thinks is going to happen to the price of Bitcoin. So if that interests you, drop a like on this video. I'm about to it's bumpy. Yeah, if you're interested in what's to come, drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, because we're trying something different today. Vlogging while driving is quite difficult. So drop a like, subscribe, and I will go and show you one of my famous friends. We're just making our way through the woods right now, and what a wonderful morning it is here in Thailand.
Right then, so I have made it to my investment property here, is what I'm going to call it, because that sounds more professional. And I have with me here Jack and Ben. And Jack, he's called Crypto Jack on YouTube. You'll know him, hopefully. If you've been around for more than a week, you probably will do. And if you don't know who he is, subscribe to him. Also, BenSBTC, that deleted all his videos recently. So he's also on the internet. Anyway, subscribe to them both. I'll leave links down below. But Jack, I wanted to get your thoughts on the market, because you all got my thoughts in the past couple of days about how depressed I am about how things are going. And I wanted you to just... What's going on in your life at the moment as somebody that makes crypto content and kind of deals with this stuff?
It's a difficult time at the moment for everyone. If you're invested in crypto, whatever's happening, there's so many different things going on in the world, we know, in not so far places from Dubai. Maybe let's not mention it for YouTube policies, but yeah, close places to Dubai. Things are in turmoil and we don't know what's going to happen. Gold's been soaring, we had a crazy pullback, silver as well. And investors are a little bit scared, I think. And that is meaning we're not having any price movement. We saw the dump down, to be honest, we saw the same dump in a matter of a few weeks, which we saw in a matter of months previous cycle. So it makes me think that it might not be the bear market or the start of a bear market, because how can the full bear market, almost the full bear market corrections come in a matter of, I don't know how many weeks, but 10 weeks or something like that, compared to 20 or 30 weeks in previous cycles?
But I mean, in the past few weeks, I've been talking or touting the wick off. You know what wick off is? Mm-hmm. So you've seen my videos as well. Yeah. You've seen the wick off. Yeah. Are you worried?
I guess so. I mean, it depends how you look at it, to be honest, but I guess so. Yeah, I mean, it's a shitty time right now for everyone. If you're a crypto YouTuber, if you're a stock YouTuber, if you're the average investor, it's a horrible time right now. We just have to not sell our Bitcoin and understand that Bitcoin long term is probably much better than altcoins.
But so I made this mistake before, and I'm sure that you've probably also made the mistake of selling Bitcoin. But do you think that we're at a level where it makes sense to start DCAing? Yep. Because I started DCAing, I got some nasty comments the other day, I'll put them on screen now, what a prick. Anyway, that prick just didn't understand anything that I said in yesterday's video. I sold a bunch of Bitcoin way too soon. I then sold more at the top, and I didn't hold any Bitcoin for a while. Now I started DCAing the other day at $69,000 or $67,000 to $69,000. I also DCA'd a little bit before that, but really only a little bit. But is it too early for me to start jumping in with big cash?
I think it's too early to jump in with big cash, 100%. But if you've got a sizable amount and you're dollar cost averaging down, and maybe even dollar cost averaging up, as long as you don't go too far in, I think it's okay. But the thing is, I think there could be another leg down. It's just happened all too fast, for my opinion. I don't really trust what's happening. It's so uneasy right now. I think it's happened so quickly that it would be silly to think we're just going to wick down and go back up.
And because this happened, you're right in saying it happened quickly, and for really no reason. Why did this happen? From your perspective?
For many different reasons. FOD, we got the gold price going up as well, people putting money into that. I mean, the crypto market is not doing so well in general. We've got AI stocks and stuff way outperforming crypto. If you look at investments, companies are investing probably 3 to 5 or even more times more into AI stocks or even crypto.
We've been literally having this discussion now for like 2 or 3 days since I've been here and you've been here, and we've been discussing like the future of AI. Can that actually destroy us? Because if it takes the people, and the people that were paying interest in crypto switch over, or are those people going to go get an education and come back and send it $1 billion X in 2 years' time?
I think AI will be around for the long term, of course. I think it's a little bit like right now is very hyped. For example, drop shipping back in the day, or FTX trading, whatever it is. I really think it's a bit of a hype, but long term it will be there. But I just think now it's like an attention economy. So AI has got a massive amount of attention, and that is driving the economy there. That's just how it is.
100%. So there you go. Anyway, thoughts from Crypto Jack in today's video. Give him a quick subscribe. I'm going to quickly ask Ben here. Ben, as Jack's understudy and BenBTC on YouTube, how are you dealing with the fact that you're now poor?
Well, that's a great question. I think Crypto Jack's got a lot of good things to say. What I'm doing is I have a sizable amount and not jumping all in. I'm more concerned about the macro aspect of the whole movement, especially, you know, people are putting money in certain places with geographical events, whether that be conflict between two countries or anything else. And so what we're seeing is shifts between where retail or even institutional wealth is being directed. And what I'm closely paying attention to, and what is definitely evident, is the fact that we did, as Jack said, have the price of gold and silver appreciate very big and all-time high in a very short period of time. Let's juxtaposition the whole thing and flip it, right? An increase in a short period of time. But we also saw an exflow of capital out of gold and silver in anticipation of all the macro events happening, conflict, whatever it is, tariffs. Where is the next lot of wealth going to be transferred into? Where is retail or even institutional? Is it going to be Bitcoin? If so, then we're going to see some kind of movement. Or is it going to be AI? This is the whole discussion we've been having in the last 3 days. And I think that it's very important to note that on-chain metrics and data is going to tell you those answers, basically.
All right, and I don't have them for you. So let's go back to the charts now, and I'll finish off this video by telling you what I actually think is going to happen to the price of Bitcoin. Thank you very much. And also, subscribe to these two. Links in the video description. So I'm back here on the toilet, and it's time to look at the price of Bitcoin. And of course, I don't need to analyze this for you. I can tell you exactly what's going to happen. It's going to go down. There you go. That's today's analysis complete. There is no point digging deeper than that. It will go down a bit, and then it will go up a bit, but it's mostly going to go down. That means look for short positions. That means don't, if it does go upwards, look for short positions, because the pump upwards will likely be very short term. This here is an absolute textbook bear flag. We should be very concerned about a drop down to that level there, which is $48,000, which is terrifying. I can show you the Bitcoin liquidation heat map. This is the price of Bitcoin here. You can see we've got a range up here all the way. People looking at that range up there, that's at $70,000 is that. Down here, that's 64,000, 65,000, 66,000. That's that gap there. That seems a bit more likely right now, definitely how things stand. And on Ethereum, the same thing. You can see the magnet is larger to the downside on the current price of Ethereum, both indicating that the price is probably gonna go up a little bit and then really duke it. I really get such a bad vibe of the market right now. I'm just in that DCA mode. I have got money. I am deploying it slowly on the market. Slowly. I have a year to deploy my money. We've got time. No rush. And on that note, guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. Drop a like on it, subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch the market, do something tomorrow or today. And that's all, really. I am a bit concerned. We will see how things progress. And I hope that you have enjoyed watching the videos this week, because I've enjoyed filming them. And maybe I can get Jack back on the channel. I sprung that one on him today, so we'll see. Subscribe to Jack and Ben as well. Links in the video description. Have a great day, everybody. See you in a bit. Ciao, ciao.